Easy go.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen, weapons? What we're doing today, I'm bringing you a new router. Yeah, hopefully it works this time. So I take back the Google Mesh Wi-Fi being the best budget router. It might be the best budget router, but it's not the best router. We're gonna try to see if this one is the Nighthawk XR500 gaming router, and it has a gaming dashboard for the PC, a geo filter, whatever that means, quality of service, which means service care, so customer support, gaming VPN client, so that means it's got a virtual private network, so your ping shouldn't be too high. Alright, so we're going to do an unboxing, and then I'm going to set it up and give a review, a speed test, and all that good stuff. Alright, so we got the handy dandy knife, and we're going to, hold on, let me pull this back so y'all can see better. Alright, so I don't know how this box opens up. I'm just going to open it up like this right here. Slide it off of there. Okay. So this is what it looks like right here. That's what's inside the box. So let me open it up so y'all can see better. However this box opens up. Right, like so. So here's first look. That's it in the package. Set that aside. That's the actual router. Quick start guide for the Nighthawk gaming router. The freaking huge power brick. The 4 antennas and a Ethernet cord. So that's what comes in the box, and I believe that's it. Yeah, that's it. So I will I'll set it up and I will post a speed test and internet test on the PlayStation 4, because we've got like 10 devices, so hopefully this works really well. Alright, see y'all soon. Alright, so we've got the internet set up. I'm going to run a speed test real fast and see what it does. So here it goes. Sorry for the non-focusing. So pretty average, but hopefully it works 9 times out of 10. Alright, thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen, weapons. If you have faster internet and you have better speeds, I'm sure it picks up and it does absolutely great. So in a few months I may give you a review on this and let you know. Alright, peace out.